Hi, it's Kozue. I'm gonna introduce Bon Pretty's new gel nails. They kindly sent them to me. Thank you. This series is called Green Cat Magnetic Gel. There are 6 colors available. In the latter half of this video, I'm going to make a set with 2 colors out of these. Let's get started. Green Cat Magnetic Gel number 1. It's a very sheer pink color. There's so much glitter in it. This is after 1 coat. I'm gonna cure it. This is a 2nd coat. I'm gonna use a magnet. Do I see a slight green in it? Is it just me? I cured and top coated. I love the way the particle glitters. It does look like a spring color. Green Cat Magnetic Gel number 2. I'd say this is golden pink or pinkish gold. Again, the gel is pretty sheer, pure. And this is a 2nd coat. Again, I see some green in the particles, but mostly the particle is platinum silver. I cured and top coated. Yeah, gel itself looks gold, but the particle isn't really gold. It's a nice chic gel. Green Cat Magnetic Gel number 3. It's bluish pink. Cure. It is sheer, but it's the most tinted so far. The particle is platinum silver. I top coated. Wow, look at that! I love this color. I want to make a cherry blossom nail art with this. Green Cat Magnetic Gel number 4. It's pinkish purple. Nice cool color. Cure. And the 2nd coat. Cure and top coat. I love the way it shines, so beautiful. Green Cat Magnetic Gel number 5. Wow, it's such a pretty color. I thought it had a nice summer vibe, but after hitting a magnet, it's totally spring-like. When I finished with the top coat, it looks like this. I just hit the magnet on one side and I got this beautiful line. Green Cat Magnetic Gel number 6. Oh, this is green. Without hitting a magnet, it looks pretty glittery, but with magnetic effects, it looks beautifully watery. After a top coat. I haven't used green gel a lot so far, but this one inspired me. I'm gonna make a set with this gel. These are from Daiso, a 100 yen store in Japan. I bought these last year. This year they kind of renewed and they have different shades. I'm gonna use these petals and these flowers. I'm gonna be painting Green Cat Magnetic Gel number 3 on the thumbnail. Just half of the nail. Green Cat Magnetic Gel number 6. I'm painting it on the upper half. I'm fading it with a tweed brush from a 100 yen store. They are both sheer colors, so it's easy to blend them. Cure. I'll do the same thing, painting the pink to the half and the green. I'm fading the border. Before curing, I'm gonna use a magnetic wand. I'm gonna cure it. Foil glue gel from CanDo, a 100 yen store. I'm gonna glue a flower and the petals with this. These petals are not really bendy, so it's kind of difficult to put them flat with regular top coat or base coat. But with foil glue gel, it's perfectly flattened. This runny top coat gets repelled on the petals. I should use less runny one. Cure. I'm gonna be using Bon Pretty's Magician stamping top coat. It's got a pretty interesting texture. It looks like jello, but much softer. I want to leave some streaks with this tweed brush. This seems to be perfect for making a summer-themed nail. I'm gonna cure it. It doesn't get uncured gel, so this is it. There's something Japanese about this nail. I'm gonna be painting the pink on the pinky and the index finger. After one coat, I'm gonna just cure it. After the second coat, I'm gonna design with a magnet. I like this slanted design because it's easy to make. Cure. I'm gonna paint in the second time on the index finger and making the easy slanted lines. Cure. I'm finishing the pinky with a top coat. I'm gonna put some petals on the index finger, so I'm gonna paint foil glue gel. You need to cure this for 3 minutes. The petals stick perfectly to the nail with the foil glue. But if you put a petal on another petal, it doesn't work. Cure and finishing it with a top coat. I can't get the smooth surface with this, so I held it upside down a bit. The ring finger. I'm gonna paint green on the whole nail and cure it. The second coat. Cure. Foil glue gel. I'm gonna put some petals on the ring finger as well. I want to stamp on this later, so I have to consider the balance. Base and top coat from Seria, a 100 yen store. Cured, and it's time to stamp. A stamping plate from Temu. This stamping polish is from Walmart in Hawaii. I'm scraping with an old prepaid card. I got a super clean print on it. Finishing the art with a top coat. I'm gonna do the middle finger. Just like the thumbnail, I'm gonna be painting up to the half of the nail. And another half with the green. I'm blending it with a tweed brush. Cure. Again with the pink to the half. And green. Blending, blending. I'm trying to make a nice vertical streak line. Cure. I'm using hard line gel from CanDo. This is a viscous top coat. I'm gonna glue this huge accessory. Oops. I'm gonna do it again just in case. I'm painting a non-wipe top coat to finish it. Cure, and all done. I really like the two-color design. On silicone fingers. Yeah, this is a nice spring set. So in this video, I introduced 6 new colors and 1 design. Did you like any of the colors? The product link is in the description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Whoops.